Are you facing challenges with time? If somebody says to you, are you busy? Do you automatically say yes? Do you actually know what you're busy with? One thing that I find when I'm coaching my agents is this is a constant observation that they have. There's not enough time. When you're speaking to a 50-something-year-old mother of 4 that runs 2 businesses, when somebody says, I don't have time, my face sometimes says differently than what I say. This is not the problem. The problem is how you use your time. I have 24 hours in a day. I have 168 hours in a week. Yes, you might be busy, but are you using your time effectively and productively? The biggest challenge that I hear from my agents is I don't have time for lead generation. That is a myth. You make the time for lead generation because you know that's what's going to keep your pipeline full, and know that that's going to make everything else easier. So we have to use time blocking really effectively. Make an appointment with yourself to do your lead generation activities, and don't let anyone take you away from that. Even if somebody is wanting to do a viewing or wanting an appraisal, your lead generation time is as important as putting in these other 2 appointments. Create the habit of time blocking time for yourself to do your conversations and to do your lead gen activities. The second challenge is keeping yourself accountable to the time you have allocated to a task. It's so easy just to push something aside that we maybe don't really want to do because something else exciting comes in. Let's say you have time blocked for your lead gen activities and somebody phones up and wants a viewing. You have to be accountable to say, I can't do it at 10 o'clock, but I could do it at 12 o'clock. We have to be accountable for our own time. And we also have to let others help us be accountable for that time by sometimes saying no. Protect your time, value your time, and most importantly, use your time effectively. The third challenge that I find comes up most is distractions. We allow ourselves to be distracted each and every moment of the day by notifications, by things on social media, by being reactive to a WhatsApp message that comes in. Oh my goodness, we have to look at that right away. If we were sitting in an appointment with a client, if we were at a viewing with a client, would you be sitting on your phone answering all your WhatsApp messages or looking at your Facebook? No, you would not. So why are we doing that when we have an appointment with ourselves? We have to take away distractions. That means, dare I say it, switching off your social media notifications or not looking at the latest TikTok video that's come in. That's what we have to do. How would it feel if you had a day that you could then put your head in the pillow and know you'd had a really positive day and that you'd achieved everything you wanted to achieve? How would that make you feel knowing when you got up the next morning, you knew that your day was set out and that you knew that you had the chance of achieving everything that you wanted to achieve? If you find yourself constantly in busy mode, I want to tell you about a free workshop that I'm running on the 24th of April, 7 o'clock GMT. If you're constantly in busy mode, it could lead to burnout, it can lead to illness, it can lead to mental anxiety. We want to help you come away from the busy, structure your time, and then have the benefit of waking up in the morning, knowing what your day holds, looking forward to that structure. Don't live off of to-do lists. Live off of time block time so that you know exactly what you can achieve in a day. It's how I live my life and it's changed my life. So please join me 24th of April, 7 p.m. at evfoster.com, and I look forward to sharing my strategies with you then. Challenge number 4 is quite often that busy agents will say they don't have time for their family. To me, family is incredibly important and should be in your diary first. I was in a situation before I started my own agency that I was earning good money. I was busy, but the people that were not getting my time were my family. So I changed the way I structured my life. I structured my productivity in a day and put my family, put their activities in first. The beauty of running your own business or being self-employed is that you have the opportunity to do that. Nobody ever went to their grave thinking that they wished they'd worked more. Most people would say they wish they'd spent more time with loved ones and with family. Don't let that be you. Let's have the benefits of living a life that we want to live and still getting everything done that we need to do. Challenge number 5 is burnout. Some of my agents who have become really, really busy, got lots of lovely sales to put through, reach the point of burnout because they forget about prioritising their time. They forget about time blocking and they literally go into reactive mode. Now, I've had to then pick them up off the floor because they have literally burned out. They have literally caused themselves some stress, some anxiety, and then it's a case of just sitting down and going back to basics and looking at time blocking our time, putting in our priorities, putting in our family. Don't let yourself get busy. A busy fool helps nobody. Please think about looking at the strategies for helping you live the life that you want, creating a life by design. So if you want to learn more about the workshop, please go to ffoster.com or click the link in the description. If you want to find out a bit more about how to get leads, get listings, and much more freedom in your life, please hit the subscribe button. I'm here with videos going out each week, and it is my own experiences that I want to share with you because we should all be living a life with more freedom and more productivity.